Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the crowd counting project. So let's browse an input video. Select any video from the directory. Let's select this video and it will take a bit time to process that particular video. Now it will open the frame and it will detect the frame by frame. So it will count the total number of person in that particular video. Like it works on the FPS and total count it will show right around 21. Okay, let's check the output video. So this will be the output video. It will count the total number of person and with FPS. Okay, let's work for the live section. So it will open the laptop front camera and it will detect the person and it will count the total number of person in that particular frame. So it count frame by frame, like it works on FPS. Okay, like I'm showing one video and it will detect the person and count the total number of person in that particular video. So this will be the complete project. This project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter used for the user interface. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.